In this video, we'll be showing you how to address a letter. Let's start by writing the recipient's address. On the first line, write their first and last name. On the second line, we'll write the street address. And finally, on the last line, we're going to write the city, followed by a comma, the abbreviation for the state, and then the zip code. Once that is completed, it's now time to write the return address. This is in case the mail does not reach them and it needs to be sent back to the sender. Start off by writing your first and last name on the first line. On the second line, you're going to write your street address. The third line is going to contain the town in which you reside, followed by a comma. Then you'll want to put the abbreviation for your state, and finally, your zip code. Once that is all done, the last thing to do is to place a stamp in the top right corner of your envelope. And that is how you address an envelope. Thanks for watching.